What's up guys? In this video, how as I promised, I bring here the configurations for the exports, alright?
Hey, shut up.
Oh,
Let me make this. After all, nobody wants to hear your voice. All right, here's the app Yokai is using. We have an open project here that will be available on Friday. Anyway, let's get started. As you can see here, we have a 2K 60 frames per second project. So first I'll show you the settings for this export. On the Export tab, you'll see that the 2K setting is pre-selected. Let's leave it as is. Unlike the original file, I'm going to use the H.265 encoder since it's more efficient. It produces the same quality as H.264, but in a smaller file. Let's check the settings in the official file. H.264 achieved 34.8 kilobits per second. However, since we're using H.265, there's no need to use the same value. Let's do a quick calculation to find the equivalent bitrate for H.265. There you go. That's a fair equivalent. We can use that one. Just put it here, and that's all you need to do. But since the key here is to avoid compression, let's follow YouTube's guidelines. The recommended bitrate for 2K SDR is 24 kilobits per second. It's no different with audio. Let's check the value and set it to the same level if you want faithful reproduction, or slightly higher if you want to ensure proper compression. Finally, click Export and wait for the file to finish. Now let's talk about 1080p videos with premium quality. When it's time to export it, it will likely be set to Full HD by default. To improve the quality, just make this small change. Here, you will change the value to 1152p, and the resolution will be adjusted to a value compatible with the 16:9 aspect ratio. It's a slight stretch, but it's not as drastic as forcing a 2K resolution, resulting in minimal loss of quality. To set the bitrate correctly, let's look at YouTube's recommendation for 1080p. 12 kilobits per second. Since we've stretched the resolution a bit, let's fill in the missing bits. So we'll use 14 to 16 kilobits per second instead of 12. That's basically it. Literally. Those were the export settings for 2K and 1080p premium. If you use a different app, no problem. The values are the same. Be sure to copy the details. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to see future gameplay videos.